everybody. Today we're going to learn to pay our property taxes online.
As we proceed, please allow me to introduce a great man of God, my husband, father to my children, our priest in the home. He prays for us. He is a pillar in our family, and we really thank God for him. Pastor Phil Beck, in the picture, he has our firstborn, Wisdom. And let me also introduce our man of God. He is our shelter. He's our covering, our spiritual cover. And we really thank God for his role that he plays in our life as a mentor, as a teacher, and also as our disciplinarian, Pastor Clint Ross.
The taxes are paid in the fall and the spring.
Usually there are 2 seasons where property taxes are paid, at least in Gary, Lake County, Indiana. The first one is the spring, and the second one is the fall.
Remember, you can pay your taxes online. All you have to do is go to your website.
So this video will be about how you are going to pay your taxes online once you have bought the property and the property has been successfully transferred to your name. So let us assume from a blank slate that you cannot even remember your personal number or address, but you want to pay your taxes. How are you going to go about it? So you go to Lake County, Indiana, assessor. Let's search that. So it takes you to this particular website, and then we are going to go to the map, the map, so that the map will allow us to find the actual parcel that we are paying taxes for, and then after which we shall pay the taxes online. So when you go to this website, it's the Lake County, Indiana Assessor's website. You hit on this particular hyperlink called map. Now, so I am going to search for myself because it's my property and I want to pay the taxes on it. Then I hit search. And lo and behold, it brings as many properties as there are that have anything similar to your search terms. So the property I want to pay taxes for is this one up here. You can see the address, you can see the parcel number, you can see the assessed value. So let me open it. Okay. When I highlight it, and then we go to this link called taxes, because we're going to pay taxes on our property. So taxes are usually paid at the treasurer's website. So there are very many ways that you can access the link where you need to pay your taxes from. So we'll go to this link that says taxes. It will take you to Lake County Treasurer's office. And from here, we are going to pay our taxes.
Before you start, make sure you have your banking details.
You open it up. And lo and behold, here it is. So this is the property. Those are my details. That's where the property is located in Indiana. And that's the legal description.
If you don't know how to calculate the taxes, remember to ask the county treasurer.
So the summary of my taxes. So the property's value is this amount, 12,600, and then they have to multiply it by the tax rate, which is 8%. And then so the total tax liability comes to around $317. The cap, there's a property tax cap, which I have not exceeded. So it still remains at $317.72. And then the taxing authority, anything that is required is added over here. So this is the gross property tax distribution amount, and you can see the total comes to $1,110.92. But the main thing is right here. So there are other charges, things, and deductions, which I did not qualify for. So if you go right to the bottom here, this is exactly the amount that I'm going to pay right now. So I already did a prepayment earlier on. So the current property tax is 158 and 86 cents. Other charges, delinquent tax, and delinquent tax penalty, which looks like 10% of it. So now I have to click right here. Click here to pay now. So these are the things for the previous years, but the previous years taxes were forgiven because I purchased the property at the tax sale, and one of the benefits of this particular county or this particular state is that they forgive the previous taxes whenever the new owner is taking over the land, the property. Or it can be land, it can be a home.
You can use your credit card or e-check.
So when I click this button that says click here to pay now, it shows you the spring installment and the fall installment. And for the spring installment, the whole total is $233.86. On the fall installment, the entire total is $188.86. And the reason it's that low is because it's a percent of the assessed value. The assessed value was like 12,000 and something, 12,600. So that is why whenever you get the like 1% or 2% or 3% of it, it becomes this amount. So I just clicked both of them so that I can pay all of them at once. Yeah, so it says add to items for payment. Please review the list of payments. So yes, I do want to pay both of them at the same time. So I say go to checkout. And then so this is what I'm paying for. So my first name, my last name, and the email address. So I'm gonna put those in real quick. And it says continue to pay. So as you can see, there's many options that you can use. You can use your bank account information with an e-check if you want the cash to come directly from your bank, or the billing information. But I am going to use a debit card and credit card. So it does have a fee here if you want to use the debit or credit card. There's a processing fee which you have to remember. So So it reminds you to please print and keep this for your record, which I am going to view as a PDF before I hit finish. There you see, and it says all done. So it says that taxes will be accepted on this website until May the 10th, which is tomorrow. So I made it just in time. And with that, I hope you will know how to pay your taxes whenever your properties have been finally transferred over to your names. And thank you so much.
When you finish the payment, check your email for a receipt.
When you check your email, just confirm that the email is from the Lake County Treasurer payment confirmation. So as you can see, mine is right here. The payment was accepted. This is my receipt that I am going to keep for my records. It actually says here, please keep this for your records.
Let's go back and check the website after paying the tax. Just be sure that the taxes are accepted.
So just to confirm and make sure that the website now says that you don't owe anything, we can go back quickly and check. We see what it says about how much I owe. So we'll just follow the exact same steps that we use to access the property in the first instance. Go through the exact same steps. And it has loaded up. And if we go all the way to the bottom, what does it say? It says the amount due up to spring is 0. The amount due for fall is 0, which means the payment got accepted.
Remember, if you don't pay the taxes, you lose your property. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.